Hey, what's going on, everybody? Product Probe Quick Reviews back at you with another knife review. Today we're going to be looking at the Jabe's Cutlery. It's a camo pattern, but it has almost like the ABS feel, but it's just a coated polymer, I guess, the camo that they have on this plastic. As you can see, if you were to really scratch it, you could scratch the stuff off, but it does give it a good feel. Just a single thumb stud right there. Nothing really to it. It looks like it does have a trailing point blade on it because of that uptick right there. No thumb grooves, no nothing. Just a simple camouflage folding knife right there. Bam. It actually opens up pretty smooth with that thumb stud. The thumb stud's actually rather large right there, which, looking at the back of it, it does look like that the thumb stud could be removed, but I don't know why you would want to do that. Right here you just have a simple liner lock. That's a little harder to push down, but bam. Well, that time it was a little easier. I guess, you would have to work with it a little bit more, but just a plastic handle. So that's single hand deployment, single hand close. So yeah, you're not going to have a problem right there at all. Let's take a look at this blade real quick. Yeah, you're just going to have a simple trailing point blade right here, which should have a sharp tip. Got a super large belly right here, and your bevel's going to go pretty high right there on the blade. So, guys, that's it. Got your little Jabe's Cutlery symbol right there. Just a quick look at the Jabe's Cutlery camo folding knife right here. So, guys, I hope the review helped. If you want to see a more in-depth review, go check us out at Product Probes, which is our other channel. And, guys, I will leave the link below if y'all want to check this thing out. And I will see y'all in the next one.